Hi, welcome to beautiful Pasatiempo in Santa Cruz. My name is Lynne MacFarlane. I'm with Intero Real Estate Services, and this is a gorgeous colonial revival property here at 2 Brooktree Lane. Come on in and let's take a tour. Introducing the majestic colonial home, nestled amidst the enchanting embrace of the royal oak trees, where the steps leading to the entrance are elegantly framed by nature's finest arboreal wonders. Prepare to be captivated by the timeless beauty of this exquisite property. Boasting 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a generous living space spanning 2,350 square feet, this stately home represents a harmonious fusion of grandeur and comfort. This distinguished residence has played host to numerous private gatherings and enchanted weddings, offering a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor entertainment. Embrace the warm ambiance of the outdoor kitchen and bar area and immerse yourself in the allure of lush European-style gardens that adorn both the front and the backyard, creating a picturesque oasis of serenity. Experience a truly regal lifestyle in a place where dreams become reality. Thanks for taking the tour with me, and if you have any questions or you would like a private tour, feel free to reach out to me.